our portable floor sink with towel dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 12 inches, a depth of 22¼ inches, and height with splash, we have 33 inches tall. Measurements for the sink, the interior, we have 10 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, and a height of 7 inches. Strainer and stop will be included, along with the swivel head faucet. Measurement for the spout, we have 6 inches. Coming to the back for the left and right mounts, we have 4 inches. And coming to the front will be the area to store your paper towels. And coming to the top left corner will be the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.